Hello, I'm Steve Neilson, also known as Stevie Slick, the CEO and owner of NWA UCW Zero in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're going to talk a little bit about wrestling rings. The size of a wrestling ring varies quite a bit. You have a 20-foot wrestling ring, which is 20 by 20. Wrestling rings have 3 ropes and turnbuckles, as you see here, which have a slight little bit of padding over the metal hardware that holds them to the posts. The other size of wrestling rings which are used is an 18-foot wrestling ring and, or a 16-foot wrestling ring, which is the size we happen to be in right now. Wrestling rings vary in their consistency and how stiff or hard they are. Some are a little more flexible than others. None of them are a trampoline. When you hit the ground, you're hitting something that you know you're landing on something. The ropes are also, there's cable ropes, which have steel cable with a little bit of padding over them, and then there's hemp ropes. All the ropes are tipped stretched tight, and they're also very springy and rigid. So as you hit the rope, they're going to propel you off with a little bit of force. So when you see a wrestler get thrown into the rope and coming off, he's coming off with some force and some spring there. But the 3 types of wrestling rings that are commonly used, once again, are 20-foot, 18-foot, and 16-foot, with the 18-foot being the most common.